How to delete existing Telegram account. If you have been using the Telegram application and now you want to just delete your account and you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security. Now tap on it. Just like this. Then again scroll down and here you can find if away for, just right here. Select it. Now here you can find delete account now, just right here. Now simply tap on it. Then again scroll down and tap on to delete my account. And by doing this, you will simply delete your account right now. And that's it. This is how you can delete existing Telegram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.